We're gonna prove how much cooler these make me look. So this is the before, and this is. Ooh.
I do think that they kind of do make the outfit. I feel like you're very much ready for like Coachella right now.
Yeah, I am.
Whereas I'm just like
Coachella?
Yeah. Or what's the other one?
Burning Man.
Not Burning Man.
Bonnaroo.
Bonnaroo.
Yeah.
Bonnaroo. Fire Festival. Yes. Yes, you are very much ready. So
no, I'm not going to that Fire Festival nonsense.
Did you have tickets to Fire Fest?
Oh, we went. It was great.
We ate our.
We partied with everybody on the bus.
We ate our ham out of styrofoam containers.
Good thing we brought our own boat.
I was gonna meet Jay-Z, but then he didn't come.
There's a lot of people that no call, no showed. Is that what you want to call it? No call, no show to that? A nice stockpile of hay. How far are we supposed to stay back?
Well, you can see it there. It's like 3 feet.
Oh.
5 feet or 7 feet. And that's
Number of pennies.
That's number of pennies.
Oh.
So this was like a state fair game.
Oh.
You know how
Yeah.
you do the
Yeah.
So you would get so many pennies.
Oh.
And then
it's more fun when you
you didn't win, you didn't get a prize.
Oh, well, it's more fun if you have unlimited pennies.
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah, ready. Right. Oh shoot, I'm on Instagram TV. 6 minutes. 6 minutes left of this. Yep.
I found a towel.
Thank you, yes, I used it to open up the champagne.
So, any last words?
I am not gonna miss you. I'm very much looking forward to 2021. I've set the bar real low so that if something amazing does happen in 2021, I'll be very thrilled about it. But I'm just literally going in expecting 2021 to be the exact same as this year has gone. I was so excited for this year. So excited. I had so many plans. I was gonna travel so much for pinball.
Which year?
This year.
Which year? 2020?
2020, the one we're still in. We got 5 more minutes.
And why are you so excited, Jen?
For 2021?
Oh, I thought you were excited for 2020.
No. No, I'm not excited.
Trent, why are you
not excited for 2020? Jen, why are you so excited for 2021?
Because I've set the bar so low, and I'm just expecting not to go anywhere at all. And do anything, and like...
So the bar being low is not going anywhere?
Not going anywhere, so that when stuff finally does open and I can finally go out and do stuff, I'm gonna be like, holy crap.
So when do you think that will be?
Summer.
Summer of what year?
2022. No.
Yeah, 2023.
2025.
2030.
You should have bought our Lord of the Rings mugs.
Ooh.
They light up on the bottom.
I'm going on an adventure.
Although I don't know where it is.
Does your viewing audience...
I feel like that's gonna be 2021.
Does your viewing audience know that we're ringing in the new year at the Pin Shack?
They don't know about the Pin Shack. I have been like doing footage of the tonight, not really like having some of the Pin Shack in here, but like making sure to be very like precarious about it because I didn't know how much you wanted to share about
precarious about it. What time is it? What's happening? When is the new year?
3 minutes. 3 minutes till we ring in this new year. No, James, what are you excited for about this new year?
I'm not.
What are you excited for, Trent?
I don't know how it could get any better than 2020.
2020 was just so amazing for you?
It was.
But you had a good year though, right?
Yeah, this place was created.
That's true. That's very true.
Okay.
This place was created. It's morphed so much since we first came here.
Carpet makes a big
The
difference.
carpet makes a huge difference. I'm very much in love with the carpet.
The key is in the padding.
It's very true. A lot of people don't know that. If you're gonna get carpet, make sure you invest really great in the padding because it does honestly make a huge difference.
What time is it?
Showtime!
I want a shot for New Year's.
Oh, I do too.
Shot of what?
I don't want to do champagne this year. I want to do shots.
Yeah. 2 minutes. We don't challenge it.
Oh, no, I want real shots. I want a real... Can you put like some gin in there with it? Would that be good?
I don't know if that would be good.
It'd be delicious. We have any gin?
Can we drink that beautiful gin bottle? That bottle of gin was beautiful.
Just for you. I'm gonna put some in your...
Oh, that thing. That's gin.
You got 1 minute.
Who's counting down the seconds?
I'm leaving that to James. All right, we're gonna migrate. Oh no, we did it. We missed it. All right, it's 12. It's 12. It's 12.
Well,
This is yours. Okay, this is mine.
Take it.
Okay.
All right.
So what should we say? What should we do?
to 2021.
Yay!
I like how there was like a question mark after that. To 2021? Oh no. Okay. With the gin, that was a little difficult.
You gotta put a little bit in.
I would chug it with champagne. All right. Hold on.
Damn, those are good.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I'm breaking. You hear me crack? Okay, with the gin was a little much.